How to uninstall Candy Crush Saga? Go to your home screen or app drawer and look for the sweet pink Candy Crush icon. Got it? Long press it like you are about to cross it, literally. Drag it to uninstall or tap the I info option. Tap uninstall. Boom. A pop-up will ask, do you want to uninstall this app? Say goodbye with confidence, hit OK, wait a second and it's gone. Just like a row of jelly after a color bomb combo. No worries, you can always reinstall it from App Store or Play Store anytime. Your saved progress, if connected to Facebook, will still be there. If this helped you out, give it a like. Got a question? Drop it in the comment and don't forget to subscribe for more quick, fun and helpful tips. See you in the next one.